How to make tuna salad with green leaf mix. Make it slim fast with this. Health in the kitchen. Welcome how to make a tuna salad with green leaf mix, slim fast and healthy in the kitchen. To make this healthy and delicious salad, you'll need some ingredients: canned tuna, green leaf mix, such as spinach, arugula, and lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, lemon, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Start by draining the canned tuna and adding it to a mixing bowl. Next, chop the green leaf mix into bite-sized pieces and add it to the bowl with the tuna. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half and add them to the bowl. Slice the cucumber and red onion, and add them to the bowl as well. In a small bowl, mix together some fresh lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined. And there you have it. A healthy and delicious tuna salad with green leaf mix that's packed with nutrients, flavor, and slim fast benefits. So why not give it a try and enjoy all the health benefits of this tasty salad?